Hey y'all, it's Millie Patrick with 30A Cottages. I'm here today at After Dune Delight. This is in Sunset Beach, which is on the south side of Seacrest. We're gonna take an amazing tour of this. I hope you guys are excited to see it. It's an awesome property. All right, it's time to go over my 3 favorite things about After Dune Delight. First of all, I love that it's right here on the south side of Seacrest in Sunset Beach. Great proximity between Alice Beach and Rosemary, so walkable. You have a Gulf view right here, which you don't find in Seacrest a lot. My second favorite thing about this property is that it actually has a heated Gulf front pool, which is definitely different than Seacrest and very rare to find here on 30A. My third favorite thing is absolutely the decor. This is high-end luxury designs and furnishings in here. It's awesome property. Again, it's Millie Patrick with 30A Cottages. We'd love to help you find your vacation home here on 30A.